Alright, here we go. There's probably an easy way to do this, but that's okay. So to preview our lesson for, I guess, tomorrow, I wanted to just review a little algebra. So we're going to work on plugging one equation into the other equation. Very simple. I just wanted to make sure we're on the same page. So write A area in terms of H. That means that right now I have A in terms of B and I have it in terms of H. And the problem with that is I have two variables. So what we can do is we can substitute in for B. We can plug this in to B. And then we just do a little simplifying. And we're done. So when I plug that into B, I get area equals, let's see here, 1/5. My new B, which is 1/3 H squared times H. Right? And then I just do a little simplifying here. So I get area equals 1/5 times 1/3, which is 1/15 H squared times H. And then you can always multiply variables, so my final answer is area equals 1/15 H to the third. So if you notice, now all of a sudden there's no more B. Everything is in terms of H, which is nice for us moving forward here. One last example here, write V, so volume, in terms of H, lowercase h this time. So again, I'm going to take this and I'm going to plug it in to H, because right now, let's go through it. V is a variable, but I want to write V in terms of H. 4 is a constant, pi is a constant, R is a variable, H is a variable. So I just want one variable. So I'm going to replace this with this. So I get V equals 4 pi, do my substitution, R squared times 3. Oh, wait, I messed up. Don't plug it into H. I misspoke. Plug it into R. I want it in terms of H. So I got 4 pi R, which is 3H, squared times H. And I get volume equals, now I just do a little simplifying. 4 pi, can't do anything there. 3 squared is 9. H squared is H times H. And then finally, 4 times 9 is 36. Pi H times H is H squared. So now if you'll notice, it looks like pi is a variable, but it's not. It's a constant. H, there's only H's. There's no more R's. Everything is good. We wrote it in terms of H. Nice. All right. That should get you going. Get on Class Kick now and see what you can do. Peace.